Point it at you.
Here we are again today. Good looking Pete.
Oh, God.
Alan. And Don on the phone again, as usual. We went out today, didn't we?
Yeah.
How far did we get?
Not very far.
About
To pitch.
As you said, there was too much sea.
There was too many waves. It was up and down. I'll show you the film anyway. I'll slice into the film when the front end of this boat was going below the water. And Don did a good turn.
Yeah, she was definitely dipping her nose.
Yeah.
She was dipping her nose and we were screaming with fear.
And how did we actually know? How did we actually notice something was wrong when we got out to the
I
perch?
started screaming in the cabin.
When we got out to the perch, how many boats were going the other way?
That should have said something to them.
Yeah,
They're all turning back.
yeah, there's 25 boats coming at us. They were all trying to get out. And we were the only nutcases going out in it. As you can see, it's very windy. We've got a new rain cover. And as you know, second chance sailing, we don't like spending money. So, how much was it, Don?
I believe it was £4.
£4.
But you've got to add on the cost of bits of string to turn
And the bungees.
Yeah. So it's £5. But it will keep the rain off. Don't know how noisy it is under here.
It does want tying down there.
Yeah, no, through the middle. Another £1! Patreon! We've got to get a Patreon going for the extra bungee cord, haven't we? do you know it's costing us? It's costing us a hell of a lot.
Tight we won't buy batteries.
It's a very good radio, that, isn't it? Do you know it's costing us a hell of a lot of money for their enjoyment, isn't it? Should we do like the rest of them do, like Rick does in Le Vagabond? Oh, we need. Look at this lock.
Knackered.
We need to purchase a new power box. We're only a year out of that.
We put 2 new batteries on.
Yeah, we have actually. Yeah, so how about?
And this time the engine started.
Yeah, it started absolutely perfect.
Does make a difference, a good battery.
Yeah, I'm going to do a video about batteries tomorrow. What are them, Dom?
Winches.
Winches, are they good ones?
Not winches.
Are they good ones then? They're not the Lumars like yours.
No.
They're not the £1,000 ones like yours.
No,
these are good quality Centaur ones
Yeah.
that are 40 odd year old, still working.
Actually,
Still working perfectly all right.
Talking about batteries, Don. How are those in your hearing aids?
Gone. These are given. Actually, all the winches on this boat are given.
Are they?
These are given.
Are they? Yeah,
These are
they're very good ones, aren't they?
Trouble is, they don't carry space for them.
No, because you closed down.
How long ago?
25 years ago, I think. We didn't get a chance to get the on the going because somebody forgot the spark plug
Yes,
key.
they did, didn't they, Peter?
Who was it?
Good looking bleeding idiot Pete.
Who was it?
Peter.
Oh no.
Try
Oh,
and start. It'll start.
call
now
him what
anyway.
you were calling him, for God's sake.
I can't. He said no swearing.
Oh, all right.
We've got a few jobs to do. That'll be alright once it's
Always
raining.
a few jobs to do.
I know.
We need to fill the water.